Well, thank you very much for taking a look at my videos here on my channel. I thought I'd post up some of my art, just to give you an idea of what I do. And I enjoy doing vintage cars from the 60s, and I do mixed media, and I do enjoy going out to a couple of the car shows, and I also go out to a few of the art shows. And I do a fair bit of traveling, so again, it's something that I enjoy doing, and it's a hobby that I've done for it's coming up to about 10 years now. I bought a PT Cruiser mainly because I do like to do artwork, and in that process I tend to have to put an easel in the back, and I move a fair bit of old frames and gear and kit around. So I wanted a hatchback, so I went out looking for a car to replace a old Astrovan. Now, I narrowed in on the PT Cruiser essentially because it's a bit of a vintage looking car and they are fairly affordable in the used car market, and I own two of them inadvertently. Now, I bought a little convertible GT. It's a 2005, and when I bought it, it was in very rough condition and needed a fair bit of work, and I've tinkered away at it over the last 4 years and made it into a bit of a car. So again, it's not my primary driver, but it's a fun little vehicle. My primary car, at least when I'm not using a company demo or running around with, is a 2002 Limited. And I bought this, I guess it's coming to about 4 years now. I put about 80,000 kilometers on it. And it has the flame package, and I didn't put it on there. That's the way it came. And it's got the Continental kit. So it's got a cool little grill on the front and a little spare tire on the back. So it's a different car. Previous owners added things in, like an exhaust system, a bunch of aftermarket pieces to it as well. So the gentleman who had it last liked it, took the time to maintain it. So I've continued with that. So I've done some basic stuff in the 80K that I've had it. So I've had to replace an alternator, which is it's a bit of a pain to do. But again, most modern cars are, so you have to kind of acknowledge that. I've done brakes, I've done oil changes, replaced a battery. Again, nothing unexpected. So it's a car that I find services well. The parts are affordable. Insurance for it is surprisingly reasonable because it is classed as a light-duty truck. So again, it's not a hatchback or a compact car. That nice little category there. So I've benefited from that standpoint. I find the rear seats, they're removable. Great for hauling cargo and gear. And I seem to enjoy driving it. Seating position is very comfortable. I've done some upgrades on it as well. So I've added in a nice stereo, some Bluetooth technology to it, changed up the dashboard, a few other little things. And I've posted videos on those as well. So if you're interested, have a little look. If you're out looking for a PT Cruiser, I know the reviews are kind of mixed. I would probably say get it inspected, check it over, make sure the previous owners maintained it. But they're a pretty safe purchase as far as that's concerned.